I'm in Paramo stand in photography show, and we have Richard here to talk about this kind of jacket that to be honest, I don't really wear this kind of jacket. I wear not really functional, more for looking good, but I'm not exactly staying outdoor for a long time. But this should be really useful for people who are more active, outgoing, not me.
So very much designed to sort of, you know, keep you dry when you're out on the hills, doing that sort of thing. So you're active, you're moving, where you need to stay dry and warm, you know. And half of that battle is when your body creates a lot of perspiration to moderate your temperature. If you don't move that water away from your skin, what you end up with is a body of cold water against your skin, essentially.
Yeah, basically like wearing plastic bag on.
Yeah, exactly. So it condenses against the inside of that, and then of course you stop moving and you will chill very, very rapidly. The clever bit is our fabrics. All of our jackets are made up out of 2 layers of material. So you've got this inner lining, which we call the pump liner. This is all proofed up in knit wax, and what this makes this lining do is it actually move liquid water from inside the coat out that way.
So it's capable to move water out one direction?
Yeah, so it's a bit like a one-way valve to water, essentially. Then on the outside you've got a windproof layer, so that'll keep the wind chill out. It will stop wind-driven rain being pushed through the garment. Again, this is all coated in the knit wax as well, so when the rain comes down, the water will bead up and run off that, as you would expect.
What is liquid? Knit wax?
Knit wax?
Knit wax.
Knit wax is over here. So this is knit wax.
Kind of waterproofing.
Yeah, so it's a technical cleaner for all sorts of outdoor kit. So this will clean Gore-Tex as well as our stuff. So you've got a wash and then a reproof. Any sort of outdoor kit, you essentially want to keep it nice and clean. It maintains its breathability, rejuvenates the DWR on the outside, which is the durable water repellency. That's the bit that kind of makes rainwater bead up and run off, you know. And then you've got the TX Direct there, which puts that DWR back on after a while when that's faded. And our jackets are basically covered in that inside and out, and that's what makes them waterproof, you know. They're still
capable to move the water
through the jacket. Yeah,
how does it work?
It's a material technology, essentially. So what you have in that lining is you've got a very, very tight weave on one side of the fabric and a fluffy weave on the other. The TX Direct wraps itself around those fibres, and that's what the water travels along. And it takes less energy for the water molecules to sit on the fluffy side, where it can sit and bead up, than it does on the flat side, the tight side.
That sounds so clever. I'm not sure I understand 100%, but I'm sure some of our viewers are much more clever than me.
Years in development, you know, we're getting better and better, and we've just taken a lot of chemicals out of it all as well, so we've now got PFC free across the whole manufacturing chain. Yeah,
because I heard that Gore-Tex not that good for environment.
No, PFCs are very damaging to the environment, and we signed up to that commitment, the Greenpeace detox commitment, last year, sometime beginning of last year, so we're well on the road.
Greenpeace is okay with that. They are so aggressive that I'm sure that's really good. I keep wondering what this is for. I keep seeing people's jacket. Why just there a hole on it?
Yeah. So the idea is you can moderate your temperature while you're moving. So you can open that up.
Oh, okay, I see.
Get a lot of air moving through that, and you can pop that down again, which stops it sort of turning into a sail. This particular jacket, you know, a lot of pockets. So you've got the bellows pockets on the front there, quite good for camera lenses and that sort of thing. On the inside we've got some poacher's pockets, chest pocket up there. You've then got 2 big map pockets on the front. That'll take an OS map or a bird book, that sort of thing, and then a couple of fleece lined hand warming pockets that go behind there as well. Collar, and then fully adjustable hood on the top of everything as well. A slightly sleeker method, you can see you haven't got the popper anymore, you've got a zip that then opens up to a mesh panel behind that. Same idea, you know, a lot of air can get into the coat, and between that and sort of you can vent the front as well. You know, if you were to have the jacket like that and pop it up, you can actually get a lot of air moving through the coat, so you've got that good flexibility, sort of on the fly adjustment of your temperature.
Yeah, do you have a lot of pockets for different kind of filters or GPS system? Why do you have buttons when I have zip?
So if you wanna, you can button it up, have the zip undone, and it helps with the air moving through the jacket. So if you need to cool yourself down,
it's about moving, air moving. And then if you're really thin like me, tighten it up so that no
water can get up there.
Cold air getting in.
But also your forearms are massive radiators of heat, so if you start to get quite warm, just pushing your sleeves up on any sort of coat will dump a load of heat as well.
You mean like
yeah,
that,
just like that, and then do the Velcro up to hold it in place, sort of thing. It would be much cooler on the mountain like that.
Technology these days.
You take the venting one step further. You know, you've got these big zips on the front that open up to a body vent, so you can see behind there. You can see my fingers on the other side, so you get a huge amount of air flowing into that. And then you can open that up even further, and you've got a big pocket in there as well. So yeah, the idea is you can constantly adjust your temperature while you're out on the hill. You're not constantly taking things on and off and changing layers, sort of thing.
For example, it's on the mountain, it's really cold.
And then what you'll be able to do is you've got good articulation, so you'll be able to look around, the hood will move with you.
That's true.
Yeah.
If it is not as hot, I can move it up, something like that.
And if it's hot, you've got the vents in here as well, so you can open that up. So you've got either the pocket, so you can put your hand in there, or you can zip that up and you've just got the vent there.
Oh, I see.
You've got the vent on the arms, so you can get a lot of air moving through the coat.
So they just raincoat?
Yeah, it's a big poncho, so it's technically just a windproof garment. So actually it's the outside bit of fabric of this. You can see there's no lining on this. So the idea is it screws down very, very small in your bag. Designed for sort of hotter climates, hot, humid climates, where you just need to keep the worst of the weather off if you're working with that sort of thing.
It could be camouflage as well. In the wood, waiting for birds.
So hopefully now you see the benefits of our jackets over one of these.
Yeah, obviously this is just for the look. Well, it works well in the city, but I'm sure if you go out in the wild, what you can take on with any weather condition on this.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problems at all. Take care. Enjoy the show.